Hi, I'm Janet from Just Talking It Up. I'd like to introduce my buddy, Ross. He couldn't be here because he got lost. But we would love for you to come and listen to us at Just Talking It Up. You can find us at bigbrainsmedia.com. You can listen to us on iTunes or your favorite podcast app, right?
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, September 3rd. I'm James Spann. Drier air beginning to take over. Going to be nice and quiet for a while. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. We'll start with the Skycam coming from Tuscaloosa. Had a few widely scattered showers around there today, but not very many. The front pushing through at midday, kicking off a shower or two. There's the Birmingham Skycam. A few decent buildups there, but those will fade soon as the lower dew points move in. And hey, the Alabama Gulf Coast looking pretty good. That's a Skycam down at the Phoenix All Suites, where the sky for now is mostly sunny. Trough in the east, ridge in the west. And you can see that drier air blowing in from the north. Cold front along Interstate 20 at midday. A few little showers on the front. If you look carefully there, that was the radar at 236. You can see the showers over West Alabama's Tuscaloosa, Bibb, Greene counties. A few over in East Alabama and Chambers County, but to the north of that, nothing. And we'll be dry for a while. Temperatures mostly in the 80s. Gadsden at 88, Anniston 84, Birmingham 89. And numbers will look like that each day for the rest of the week, but the humidity values will be noticeably lower and nights will be cooler. And man, look at the cool air up north. Feels so good. Temperatures this afternoon only in the 60s around Buffalo and Cleveland. Nice fall air mass coming down the pike. And again, it's not going to be that, cool here, but the humidity value's much lower. I think you'll notice the difference. And really, it's quiet around the nation. I mean, it's been a remarkable year. The summer's been cool, lowest tornado count on record so far, and no hurricanes here into early September. About the only issues, few little pockets of flash flood watches way out west. No severe weather expected today and tonight. There's the rain for the next 5 days. This is through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, and it's got about an inch down south. The front's going to stall out around US 84, so the chance of scattered showers and storms will continue way down south, but up here after today will be dry for a while. Weather in the tropics. Got a wave over the Yucatan, wave over the eastern Caribbean, one coming off the coast of Africa. The guys have a 30% chance of this one developing. This is the one in the Caribbean. And it's going to struggle. It's got a lot of issues here. But whatever happens, it's not going to bother us, the United States. Models recurve this thing out to the open Atlantic even before reaching the Bahamas. Looks like it'll be cutting over Puerto Rico, maybe clipping part of Hispaniola, and then a recurve. And that makes good sense with a trough that is firmly entrenched over the eastern U.S. Intensity models, some bring it up to a tropical storm, but just remains to be seen if that thing can achieve hurricane strength. Bottom line is it's still pretty quiet out there. Amazing. It's been an amazingly quiet year for basically everything. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Big heat bubble is around Denver. Nice trough over the east, and we are in dry air. The day should be sunny. The high should be in the upper 80s. Dew points will drop to about 60. It's going to feel good. Thursday will be a sunny day. We'll start the day well down in the 60s. We'll probably see 50s for the cooler pockets. Nice touch of fall. Friday, we stay dry. Again, upper 80s are likely. Saturday, as we start the weekend, the upper high is still out there across the heartland. Got a northerly flow aloft, and down below that, maybe some evidence of moisture trying to work up in here, but quite frankly, there's no trigger, so I think we can just take out the small chance of a shower we have. Pretty much the same thing on Sunday. We'll call it partly sunny. Highs over the weekend, 87, 88, something like that, maybe 89, upper 80s. We'll go to Monday of next week. Nice cool high in the northeast. They are nice and cool up there, and down here the air just as dry as could be. We note a couple of dual tropical lows. That's that Caribbean feature. Not quite sure how they split it up like that, but whatever. Those will move out to sea. And there's Tuesday. I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower, but you can see it's going to be very quiet and mostly dry here for the next 7 days. We'll check the end of the forecast, September 19th. Westerlies dipping a little farther south. Energy coming into the Great Lakes. Nice 1030 high up there. That looks good. Coming down into Minnesota. It's going to be cold. They might see some frost on the pumpkin up there if that's right. Down here, an approaching front might trigger a few showers. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.